Hi, I'm Karan GANJU and I would like to briefly recount my experience in Fiitjee. I joined Fiitjee in April 2010 when I was in my 11th class, and I heard about Fiitjee through various experiences of other students who have been successful in IIT JEE and through advertisements on the newspaper. I was told about the good quality of teaching from various parents in Fiitjee Hoskas, and so my father chose Fiitjee Hoskas over the other Fiitjees. I gave the FTRE in 2010 and was given 90% scholarship, out of which 75% scholarship was awarded through the FTRE, whereas 15% was given to me because of being a NTSC scholar. In terms of competition, the class environment in Fiitjee was amazing. There was always someone to look up to and I received constant motivation. Initially, I used to be getting mediocre ranks. However, towards the end, I used to come second or third in class. The Fiitjee teachers were really very helpful and they would always be ready to sort out any problems I had, and they would provide me motivation and constantly drive me to perform better. Quizzes, CPPs and face tests helped me get to know about my ranking in class and they helped me gain a lot of practice. Apart from that, the common test helped me gain a lot of exposure, which was essential to crack the IIT JEE. My confidence level boosted immediately as soon as I started to get good ranks in the AITS and the common tests. The All India Test Series was a good way to practice as it was set at a level higher than the IIT and it helped me gain confidence. Apart from that, the GNP and the RTPF were also good practice material. A word of advice to my juniors would be to join an institute from an early stage where one can prepare for Olympiads like NTSC and IIT JEE. One should choose an institution based on reliable credentials like word of mouth, results and nationwide presence, and then take a decision. Once taken, the decision should be followed religiously. I chose Fiitjee because I found all of these factors in Fiitjee and I'm satisfied with it. I owe my success to Fiitjee and want to wish the best of luck to my juniors.